Welcome. Today in front of me Realme GT Neo 2 and I'll show you how to adjust notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should go to the notification bar, and as can you see, we got here on the right upper corner the edit icon. Just tap on this icon and here you can see your all available icons from your notification panel. And for example, if you want to just add one more icon to your notification panel, just here hold for a while and drag this icon to this section, to this up section. And also we can make by the same way, we can add one more three, all this icon if you want, and by the same way just hold and drag the icon here to this down section if you want to just remove the icon, for example this one, from your notification panel. Also we can just change the positions of the icons by the same way, just hold and move the icon to the position where you want to just pick this icon. So that's how it looks, and then just go back and you'll see here all the changes on your notification bar. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.